Meaning of dust devil.
Dust devil.
Dust devil.
Dust devil.
Dust devil. A dust devil is a small, rapidly rotating column of air that picks up dust and debris from the ground. It's typically harmless and only lasts a few minutes before dissipating. Dust devils are most commonly observed in dry, arid regions and can range in size from just a few feet to over 1,000 feet tall. Although they are not as powerful as tornadoes, they can still cause minor damage by knocking over small objects or stirring up dust and debris. Overall, dust devils are interesting natural phenomena that are relatively harmless but can still be impressive to witness.